Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life. And let me just tell you, if you are anything like me, and I know you are, yeah, it's been a crazy month, huh? So many things have happened. Such an awesome time. Lots of time with friends and family. But I have a feeling you might have missed one of our releases this month, and I don't want you to miss them. So what I'm going to do, this is just kind of like an overview of the month because I want to make sure you got to see everything. We started out the month with our Stamp and Die Hard Club. That was our awesome cozy fireplace. I absolutely love this because it just reminds me of warm fall and winter nights. I just love it. We also released the Merry and the Christmas as the dies and the stamps. Now, there's lots of other words. There's give thanks, there's warm wishes, lots of different options for those fun handwritten words with the banner, which I absolutely love. Here's another example of that awesome fireplace. It's just so much fun. We also added a stencil for this month for that fun, cozy fireplace, and I love it. Here's another example. I love the little frame and the little greenery on it. It just adds so much to that cozy fireplace. We also released dun, 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 our stand-up. By popular request, it's finally here. I absolutely love this. It goes with the other dies that we released last month. It comes with the happy, but we absolutely love it. And there's even a stamp set that matches, which is so much fun. If you can find it, I don't know if we have any left. There were even some paper pads for a limited time. Paper pads that matched all of this put together. Isn't that awesome? I love that. And those colors, you know those are my favorite colors, right? Oh, okay, let's get warm and cozy again. We also released our fun sweater fold it. So fun. I absolutely love him. Love that. And the big Christmas words. We had Merry, Noel, and Love in this gorgeous, gorgeous, large, thick, luscious font. I absolutely love it. Here's here's Noel on a decal edge. So here it is on the heart edge. Here it is on the decal edge. Aren't they beautiful? I just love it. They're so much fun. We also released our stitch dot, stitch dot, stitch dot squares and circles. Here's my circle set. I love these. You don't think you need them until you don't have them. That is the truth. You don't think you need them until you don't have them. And then you need them. And then you want them. And then you have to get them because they're so awesome. We also released Jingle as a fold it. Here he is, just part of his body on a regular card. So adorable, so much fun. He just adds so much playfulness to everything, right? Love that. Then we also released the Bold Inspiration stamp set. So it has you are amazing, you inspire me, all these different be brave, lots of big bold words that really will stand out on a card. I absolutely love them. Oh, and let me tell you this. What? Let me tell you, are you ready? Ready? Dun, 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 dun. Friends are family we choose. This word die set was released also with with a shadow die. Takes up a whole panel of the card, which is so awesome. It can go on the front or on the back and in the middle, and look at how gorgeous that is. Now here we go. This is probably one of my favorite backgrounds, foliage background. Look at how stunningly beautiful. It can be very delicate like this one, or you can just use red and white to be bold. I absolutely love it. We also released by popular request another double slimline, mini slimline. So this one has the brick and the fun Starry Night stars. Absolutely love it. And I know you guys, a lot of you are new to the Stamps of Life and you're seeing this bike for the first time. That was one of our club sets back in the day. It is still available on our website. Last but not least, we also released our Kit Club, a box of goodies sent to you every single month. The coolest part though, you guys, is the paper pad coordinates with our Stamp and Die Hard Club. We have tons of people that are in the Die Hard Club and the Kit Club because the dies coordinate. And you get these awesome coloring pages, awesome die cut pages that are already colored. We do the coloring for you. So you just use your dies, you die cut that, and you're halfway done with your card. Isn't that awesome? Go check out our website, thestampsoflife.com. Join one of our awesome clubs. They start as little as $13.99 a month, and that includes a stamp set each month. Then you're getting a 15% discount off of every single item I just showed you. Now, I did get a question the other day. I think it was in one of my lives. Can you buy the card kit separately if you're not in the club? No, you cannot. The only way to get the card kit is to be in the card kit club. Same thing with our Fold It Club. The only way to get the Fold It is to be in the Fold It Club. They're not available separately on our website. Thank you so much. I hope to see you again soon. If you're not a club member, go to our website, thestampsoflife.com. Go click the tab, and just watch that video. It'll explain it all to you, and it'll make a lot more sense. The hardest part's going to be to decide which one to join. It's best just to join all of them. Thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here, because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.